What is going on, you guys? This is your boy Miguel here with Boost and Redline, and today I've got a box of parts, okay, and I've got my coffee, okay, and that can only mean one thing, because if the truck is here, that definitely means we're definitely doing something to it, an upgrade. Guys, I'm very excited with how everything is coming along with the truck build. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and check out the progress that we're making on the truck. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so let's see here. Let's see what we got. Got this box from Amazon just the other day. And first thing we've got is the tailgate lock. So I've been wanting to have one of these here for quite a bit. I'll be doing a separate video on how to put this puppy up. And then this is what we're actually going to be working on today. It's the tailgate, okay? So the tailgate handle and the whole mechanism here for the tailgate, we're gonna go ahead and be putting this on. All right, so if you've been with the channel for quite a bit here, you would know that for a while now I've been trying to get rid of all the chrome in the truck. This is long overdue, so that is exactly what we're going to be doing today, is getting rid of this chrome tailgate there, the tailgate handle. So we'll be replacing that. Just want to give you a quick sneak peek because you would have seen this video by now. This is being recorded while I went ahead and put the BedRail covers. Okay, I'm waiting on the tailgate cover to put that on there and make another video for you guys on how to put these guys on. That video is going to come out first, and then this video is going to come out after that. First thing we'll do is we'll take care of these 3 bolts here. All right, so they're each a 13mm socket on your wrench. So go ahead and loosen those up really quick. All right, as soon as I took out those 3 bolts, okay, I can now go ahead and take out this piece here. Okay, you can see it's loose in there, right? And this is gonna go ahead and come right out. So let me get a better angle here for you guys. The way you take off this tailgate handle surrounding is you have to pull up from the top side down. It does have 2 little latches underneath. Mine had a lot of glue from the previous owner on how it was put on here, so I had a little bit of a harder time taking it out. The very next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and unclip the 2 wire lines coming from each side. They are the ones that help with the locking and unlocking process. So you want to take your time and make sure you handle this with care. You want to unlatch one side and then pull the wire line out, and then do the exact same on the other side, just like that. I want to do a quick side-by-side here, to show you guys absolutely no difference aside from the finish. This one being the black there, like looking like factory, and then this is this ugly chrome here. So getting rid of this guy and making it look very nice with the rest of the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean in here a little bit. I'm a little OCD, and even though it's probably gonna go back to this state anyways, I want to go ahead and see what I can do here. Just clean it up as much as I can. It's probably gonna be good for, you know, maybe 5-10 years. So definitely every time I get a chance to clean inside stuff like this, why not, right? Why not? All right, here we go with the new piece. Gonna slide it in there, and then we just gotta hook these guys in. All right, got one side clipped in place. This next side shouldn't be that much more difficult. All right, So that's looking good. All we have to do is go ahead and align it, and should get the job done. What you want to go ahead and do next is go ahead and align the holes here. Alright, so I see there's 1, 2, 3. Where are you? Alright, perfect. So I've got all 3 lined up. So let me go ahead and screw them up really quick. You know, sometimes you just gotta make your life easier. Even though I could tie them up with this wrench here, I went ahead and got an extension with a bigger wrench, so that way I got more space and I can wrap those up really quick. All right, let's go ahead and test it out really quick. There we go. All right, so there it is, locked in place. Here we go. Perfect. Try it again. All right, so now that I know it's all hooked up and everything in there, I've got the 2 wires from each side in the right place and locked in, so I can go ahead and put the back black cover there, and should be good to go. These do come with adhesive, okay? Even though they come with adhesive, I'm not gonna go ahead and apply it just yet. I'll be doing another DIY video on how to install this lock, so I'm not gonna put it in place. I will be removing this later on. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to hook these up at the bottom first, okay? And then you're just gonna clip on top, okay? So clip on top. Okay, just like that. And there we go, guys. This is the final piece. So you can see there, even from a distance, I'll give you a good angle there. It looks nice and very clean with the rest of the car. So the theme here is black and white pretty much. So no more of that ugly chrome going on, and you can see there, working really good. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and there was a good easy way for you to be able to duplicate this, do it on your truck. If you really like this video, make sure that you smash the like button, especially if you find value in it, and make sure to subscribe, because there's a lot coming your way as far as this truck build goes, and you wouldn't want to miss it. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care. Peace.